Social media, especially with TikTok, the algorithm is random. So you could end up on a million people's For You page and you have this incredible career in front of you. And so I think it's really important that we capitalize on that and, not take social media for granted, because I think it's a really important tool, and it's just an important tool to have to advocate for something that's important to you. And that's what I've done.
That's what you've done. So we're going to stay with isolation for a second. And I'm really enjoying this, and I appreciate the well thought out and articulated responses to these questions. That is something that's rare these days, because you go to the grocery store and people don't even, say hello when you want to check out. Right. But one of the negative effects of isolation, right? When I think of isolation and someone, pulling themselves away from society, the secondary effects of that are things like, weight gain and diabetes mellitus and so forth. And while that affects adults, particularly when they start working and so forth,